Change is good, but often takes time and draws resistance from many clinging on to the old ways and their comfort zones. But in government, the time to shift to the more expedient and less stressful methods has never been more compelling or crucial, as I dwell on a laundry list of digitized programs of government gathered by our Clezel Pardilia in this report. Mona Lisa faced much inconvenience and expense just to secure a government ID, a requirement for the job she applied for.
Dapat baguhin po yun. So, na-stress din ako kasi nga, kaya nga ako maghahanap ng mag-a-apply ng ID para may ID ako. Kaso, hahanapan ako ng ID, siyempre, nauurat ako.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has criticized outdated and burdensome policies in the country.
Tanyag tayo sa polisiyang kailangan ng ID para mag-apply kumuha ng ID. Isang refleksyon ng napakalumang sistema. Nakikita natin sa ating mga nakasanayang pamamaraan na pinaglumaan na ng panahon. Tila maliit na bagay pero laking perwisyo sa tao.
The administration is now focusing on reviewing policies that are no longer relevant.
Kailangan padaliin ang pamumuhay ng Pilipino dahil ang sistema ay kailangan nagdadala ng ginhawa sa tao, hindi sakit ng ulo.
According to the president, filling out multiple forms that require the same information should be avoided. Some transactions that currently require physical appearance should be made digital. He also said citizens should not have to take a day off from work just to obtain a single government document.
Kaya isa sa pinagtutuunan natin ay ang eGov app at digitalization ng government system.
The president highlighted several measures already being implemented by the government. These include free Wi-Fi on trains and buses, non-confiscation of physical driver's licenses and recognition of their digital copies, the use of beep cards that automatically apply discounts for students, persons with disabilities, and senior citizens, and zero balance billing, which is also set to be expanded to cover middle-income families. President Marcos said other policies being implemented in other countries are also under review.
Maganda lahat yan. Yang sa road courtesy, kailangan natin yan. Pati yang sa kalusugan, kailangan din natin yan.
But the president also issued a reminder.
Na matagumpay ang mga pulisiya sa ibang bansa dahil sa kooperasyon ng ating mga mamamayan. Na bagamat hindi popular sa simula ang isang pulisiya, kapag binigyan ng pagkakataon maimplementa ng tama, maganda naman ang resulta.
This is Sharms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.